As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
Omri, founder, CEO.
Michael Rudman, founder and CDO.
Jones is a B2B network in commercial real estate that helps anybody get approved for work instantaneously.
Nice.
Thank you.
If I need to describe Omri in one word, resourceful.
Choose another word. Resourceful is kind of boring. Michael, in one word, tenacious.
So I was in the Air Force, but Omri comes from a family of pilots.
The real answer is I was really good at video games growing up. What makes us equipped to beat everybody else? One word. This, right here.
Let's see you do this.
This is family pressure here.
Will he make his father, the pilot, proud?
If I win now?
I love it. Omri was built for this.
Yeah, 100%.
I love the way these guys work together.
Well done, Omri.
These guys are in their comfort zone. Are you getting a Top Gun vibe here?
Yeah, they're very good. Jones has actually done a really impressive job at growth. They've got now millions of certificates of insurance running through their system. It's been a really impressive ride.
Michael is right behind him at every step. Oh.
Did he get it? Did he get it?
Woo! Let's go!
Yeah!
How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. This was like a pre-IPO roadshow.
Where do you think you are?
Not first.
Well, you know, we're gonna win because it's not about the race, it's about the journey, and it's also about creating a game-changing company and having fun along the way.
Woo!
Yeah. 237. Oh! At least we're above Hetz, which is good. All right, Jones. Look at that beautiful logo.
Why do you think you guys did so well?
Michael was like whispering in my ear, good job, this is good, this
Don't
is
drop
good.
it.
All right,
Don't crash it.
don't this up, I'm gonna kill you. It was a team. The team, for sure. I mean, the team always wins, right?